Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet reviews. I just got my Ispring Reverse Osmosis drinking water system in. This is exactly how it came from Amazon. I also got, I think, extra filters are in here. I got an extra 6-month supply of filters, I think, are in here. Yep. Yeah, an extra couple months of filters are in here, so that's cool. Pretty heavy. Oh, let's see what's inside the box. So this is what I ordered when I ordered the, so it comes with the sediment filter, two of these sediment filters. Comes with two of these stage 2 carbon filters. Comes with two of these. Comes with two of these, another carbon filter, CTO carbon filter, two of these, and it comes with two of these alkaline filters, and then it comes with one of these, I guess because you don't have to change it out that much. This is just the filtration system, I guess. Comes with only one of these. So it only comes with one of these. And then it comes with a bunch of fittings too. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah, this is alkalinity filter, one of those. I don't know if you could see it on the thing, that's why. So this is kind of how it's packed. Like that. So you get two of each. Two of these and then only one of these for some reason. I don't know why I only get one of these, but that's the filter pack that I got. So let's fold this back up, see what's in this box next. Alright, so I'm probably going to put this on the floor so it's easier for me to grab everything out, or at least on this chair. This is the first box that we got right here. This looks like the filter pods, each one. Filter pod right here. And the filters come inside. The filters are inside the pods. So there's another pod. Here's another one. Nothing else in the box. Can these guys see that? Yeah, right? Okay, good. So you can see that. So that's the filter pods it comes with. They come wrapped just like this. Another filter pod comes wrapped like that. And another one like that. Alright. Filters are in there and they're sealed up. So I guess they tell you which way, which one goes in which one. Alright, so let's take out the next one. This is the instructions that they give you. Attention. All this instructions right here. I don't know what that means here. You guys can see it. You can pause the video and look at it. That's what they just sent. Warning. Okay. And then they gave us, here's the instruction manual right here. And you can label, I guess, the filters when you did the dates and change the filters and stuff like that. I would probably just watch the video on installing it online instead of reading the instructions. At least I watched a couple videos and that helped out a lot, so I have an understanding of what's going to happen. So let's see what else we got in here. Let's move this out of the way. So it comes with the pods. We already know that. Let's open up this, see what this is. Alright, so we got the membrane in here, a bunch of different fittings. Here's all the fittings that you're going to need. Here's the saddle that you're going to need for the drain valve, all different leak stop valve, all kinds of different valves in here that you're going to need to make all the connections. So that comes in there like that. Here's your wrench. So they have a double-sided wrench now. I saw in the other videos it was 2 separate wrenches. Now they have a double-sided wrench. I guess it makes it more simple. You won't lose it as easy. So it comes with a wrench that's double-sided for the membrane and for the pods. And the membrane is in here. Here it is. Here's the element. Here's the membrane, the main piece that filters it out. Okay. So that's in here like this. Let's get this out of here. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Now we have the tank. I'm guessing this is the tank. So here's the tank of the storage tank. Yep, here's the storage tank. That's pretty big, wow. Tank. So this is the storage tank. It already comes with the thing on the bottom. So it goes like that. No, I don't think so, but it does. It screws on like that. Okay, maybe it does. Oh no, I don't think so. I think that just protects it. I'm pretty sure the valve goes on the top and it goes this way. So it's going to go this way. Alright, just like that. I'm going to take a measurement for you of that and so you can know how wide your footprint is. Let me get a measuring tape. Alright, so your footprint for your tank, it's going to be about 15 inches tall without the valve. Diameter is about 10.5 inches of diameter. This is going to be. And then this is a little bit smaller, but you're still going to need 10.5 inches if you plan to put it in a pan or something like that. You need at least 10.5 inches, maybe even 11 inches total. Yeah, 11 inches total you're going to need of space to put this inside your cabinet. So you have an idea of, you know, what you're going to need. Let's put that over there. Let's see what else that we got. See, yeah, we see everything on there. Okay, let's see what else we got. All right, so this is the rest of the filtration. They give us some tubes in here of different colors, so you know what color to use for what, for the drain line, for the tank, so you can, you know, switch apart and know which one. Here's the faucet that comes with. There's the faucet right here. And then here's the rest of the filtration system. Right here. Comes in that. So it comes in this thing. You gotta cut this open. I guess. I'm gonna cut mine open at least. So we cut this open. See what it looks like. Okay, let's pull this out. Here we go. All right, that's what it looks like when I pulled it out. Ispring water connection, water systems, it says. It's wrapped on this side. Alright, so here it is. That's it. That's the last piece, pretty much. And then, like I said, here's the faucet. that they give you. It feels pretty heavy. I mean, it feels okay. Hopefully it does the job. It's small, but it's not going to have a lot of pressure, so I guess it's going to be fine. So, but that's what it's kind of looked like right there. That's the faucet. All right. So that's just a review and a box opening of the Ispring Reverse Osmosis system that I got. So you guys can have an idea of what you're going to get when you open up the packaging, and everything should be the same as what I see here. At least if I'm missing something, then I got to check my instructions. But all right, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Glenville Reviews. Please subscribe, comment below. Hopefully this helped you out. I'll go over just a little bit to see everything that you get. All right. So that's everything in the box, so you guys could see a little better review. If you're wondering what that loud noise is, it's this guy right here. It's Julie. Julie is a mean little bird. His name is Julian. There he is. Look at him. He wants to attack me. He looks mad. But that's Julie. And that's Toby. Toby's right there, sleeping away. He doesn't want to be on TV. All right. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.